Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? Alhamdulillah, I am fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher English Day Shift. Today I am going to take a class with class 1 with this book, the spelling with synonyms for school. We will do today this book. Okay, so our today's topic is spelling set 1 and 3. Our today's lecture 11 and SW number is 7. Now come to our lesson. Today we will do spelling set 1 and spelling set 3. In number A, it is asked, read the word list very carefully and learn the way the words are spelled well. So now we will learn the spelling of this word. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Lead, L-I-D, lead. Let, L-E-T, let. Pod, P-O-D, pod. But, B-U-T, but. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, tar, sister. Aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt. Uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. When, W-H-E-N, when. Who, W-H-O, who. Why, W-H-Y, why. Put, P-U-T, put. Any, A-N-Y, any. Tab, T-A-B, tab. Team, T-I-M, team. Set, S-E-T, set. Tom, T-O-M, Tom. Run, R-U-N, run. Sat, S-A-T, sat. So my dear students, by this way you will practice the spelling. Now we will do exercise number B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate missing letters. That means here some blanks are given and we have to fill the blanks with appropriate letters. So come, number 1. Put the kettle on. Here the blank is given in the middle. So here we will give U, put, P-U-T, put. Number 2, peas grow in a pot. Here in the middle gap, so we will write O, P-O-D, pod. Number 3, we sat on the grass. Here in the middle blank, so we have to give A, S-A-T, sat. Number 4, we had to run to school. Here in the middle the gap, so we have to put U, R-U-N, run. Number 5, father set out for work. Here in the middle gap, so we have to put E, S-E-T, set. Number 6, have you any money? Here the first one is blank, we have to put A, A-N-Y, any. Number 7, my coat has a tab, T-A-B, tab. Number 8, why were you late? W-H-Y-Y. Number 9, is mother home yet? M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Number 10, when are you coming? When, W-H-E-N, when. Now in number C, read the sentences very carefully and fill in the blanks with the information which are hidden in the sentences. So the informations are given in the right side and we have to fill up in the left side. Your father's sister. So what do you call your father's sister? Aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt. Number 2, you have the same parents. You have the same parents. That means it may be your sister or your brother. So here given B, so it will be brother. B-R-O, bra, T-H-E-R, brother. Number 3, this is another relation. So we have to find out here a relation that starts with U, and it will be uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Number 4, ask a question. When we ask a question, we usually use why. So it will be W-H-Y, why. Number 5, a question about time. When we ask any question about time, we have to use when. So here it will be when, W-H-E-N, when. Now come set 3. We will read first A. Read the word list very carefully and learn the way the words are spelled well. Chat, C-H-A-T, chat. Shed, S-H-A-D, shed. Sheep, S-H-I-P, sheep. Chop, C-H-O-P, chop. Rush, R-U-S-H, rush. Desk, D-E-S-K, desk. Hall, H-A-L-L, hall. Class, C-L-A-S-S, class. Lesson, L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson. Chalk, C-H-A-L-K, chalk. Teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Wash, W-A-S-H, wash. Which, W-H-I-C-H, which. Where, W-E-R-E, where. They, T-H-E-Y, they. Want, W-A-N-T, want. Stop, S-T-O-P, stop. Why, W-H-Y, why. When, W-H-E-N, when. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. One, O-W-N, one. Many, M-A-N-Y, many. So dear students, you will practice the spelling like this way. You will practice the spelling and the pronunciation too. Come number B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate missing letters. Number 1. This is my desk. Here given D-E-S, so after that there will be K. This is my desk. Number 2. Chop up the wood. It will be chop up the wood. C-H-O-P, chop. Number 3. I had a chat with Bill. C-H-A-T, chat. Number 4. Do you want a sweet? W-A-N-T, want. Number 5. Stop at the red light. S-T-O-P, stop. Number 6. Which is your coat? W-H-I-C-H, which. Number 7. Do not rush about. R-U-S-H, rush. Number 8. When do we go home? W-H-E-N, when. Number 9. Is that your one pencil? O-W-N, one. Number 10. Is father home yet? F-A-T-H-E-R, father. So by this way you will practice the spellings. Come number C. Read the sentences very carefully and fill in the blanks with the information which are hidden in the sentences. So again we have to read the informations, then we have to fill up. Now you have it in school. So what do you have in your school? What you have to do in school? Lesson. L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson. Number 2. You can keep things in it. You can keep things in it. Then it doesn't be wet by rainwater or not to dry by sunlight. So what is that? Shade. S-H-E-D, shade. Number 3. Can be a lady or a gentleman. So who can be a lady or a gentleman every day you meet? That is your teacher. So T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Number 4. Do it as soon as you get up. What you have to do when we get up from bed? We have to wash ourselves. W-A-S-H, wash. Number 5. Every teacher uses it. Every teacher uses it. What is that? Nowadays we use marker, but in previous times teacher used chalk. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. Okay. So by this way you will practice spelling from set 1 A, B, C and set 3 A, B, C. And this time your SW number 7 will be spelling set 1 and 3 B. That means you have to do this B and this B. Okay, my dear students, I hope you can understand our today's class. If you have any problem, you can contact your teacher and you should submit the SW carefully and be careful in your spelling. Stay well, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.